Alright, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this 45-gallon little storage or container. Alright, just purchased $20 from Home Depot and has a wheel on it. See? And you can put all your tools in here. So this is my tool bucket I'm using for now, but I'm gonna expand it a little bit, you know. Sometimes it's hard to dig in, but I try to make it easy in here and pull it, or I can see clearly what tools I need to use. So I got all this out from my another bucket, and this is how it's gonna be. See, got it, and then fold it like this. This here, it's here, and it's another one here. So I cut this one, and this is gonna go right here. Then you put a screw on it. Good to go. Doesn't it look good? Good to go. That's it. See? Ta-da! Yeah. Far so good. Well, I'm still working on it. Do you see how it looks? So anything I need in here, or a wrench, or you know, or a hammer, I just grab it. And I can put the electric saw and electric drill and kind of stuff like that, or like, you know, the drill charger and extension cord over here. That's it. Nice organizer, huh? Look at it. So I got my electric saw here, and I can throw my extension cord here and flip. Hi Tony, how are you? How'd you like my project? Come.